You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name of Irish origin, designating an old Gaelic clan, pronounced as, in English, Callen is the most common pronunciation, or Callen. How do you pronounce it yourself, Callen or Callen? Let us know in the comments what is the most common pronunciation. Let's learn how to pronounce this name, a name of Irish origin, designating an old Gaelic clan, pronounced as, in English, Callen is the most common pronunciation, or Callen. How do you pronounce it yourself, Callen or Callen? Let us know in the comments what is the most common pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.